Well, good evening, DigiByte fans. And today has been a very interesting day for DigiByte. This is my second video I'm doing on it. Told you I'd look in to see why this thing is just on fire. And I do believe it hit like 70% up today and is sitting at maybe 40%. So let's take a look at what's going on. So just in general, crypto is trending up. We have a lot of green on the screen. Bitcoin, for example, is really hot right now. It's up. Let's see here. Can I see Bitcoin? No, I do not have it here. But yeah, it's trending up. So the global crypto market has continued in a bullish mood as the rally for it didn't stop. Great. The value of gains rose exponentially over the weekend. In comparison to other weekends, it has gained an unprecedented value. Its result has appeared in the form of strengthened coins and the global market cap. The current rally of bullishness indicates that the gains might not stop short and the market might cross the 10 trillion value. It is yet to be seen if this prediction comes true. Okay, so that was March 27th, 2022, today. So we'll see what happens. So the US is speedily adopting crypto because of its several benefits and its role it would play shortly. So I'm not going to read all this. So basically we have bullish sentiment in general in the markets, the crypto markets. Today being Sunday, the stock exchange has nothing to do with this little burst up. So Bitcoin itself is going up. Ether also went up too. So here we go. DigiByte. This is a day chart. So the day chart, see, it doesn't start like at midnight for us in Canada. I think it starts at about 6 p.m.-ish, I think was when we roll over. But so we're on a new day. But look at this spike. Oh my goodness. My last video, I talked about this, and I think we were down around here when I was talking. So we spiked right up since then and pulled back in. I want to ask you something. If you guys, I don't know when you got into this, like I've been hodling for quite some time. I'm just going to reset this. And I got in higher. I'm thinking my average price is around 5 cents. I got in higher than 5 and a little lower than 5. So about a nickel I bought in. So even if I sold out now, I would be at a loss. And I have no intention of selling out anytime soon. I like this project. I am bullish long-term on it. Pumps come, pumps go, but it shows something because look, this thing has formally ran up. This is nothing new for this coin. So it does go up, but look what else happens. It falls back in. So if you buy here and you're still here, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell out and take some profit off the table? If it were me, and let's say if I got in at, not quite, like just under 2 cents, and now we're running up to, you say, almost 4 cents. That's a 50%. No, sorry, it's a 100% gain. And it's been kind of tough past couple months with everything being downtrending. So if you can double something, well, that's actually good in this market. Of course, what will tomorrow bring with this? Will this thing jump up to here? I don't know. I doubt it, but it could. Anything's possible. Anything is possible right now because a lot of people are hearing about this. It's trending on a lot of exchanges. You see the cryptos that are trending. Well, DigiByte made the cut. So I don't know, but let's just say if somebody got in here and they took it off the table here, good for you. That's all I can say. Good for you. Take profit if you like, because there's nothing wrong with taking profit. A lot of us skip burned when we ape in, and then boof, it just goes back down, and everybody's mad. And I don't want any boo-hooing. No boo-hooing in the comment sections if you got burned because you did not get out. You bought in low and you did not get out, and then you saw it come back in. Well, a lot of us are holding this long. Some people have held DigiByte for literally years. This has been around for 8 years, and it is its own blockchain. It has a max supply of, oh my goodness, what is it? Let's dig around a little bit because I don't want to start saying stuff too soon because I watch a lot of cryptos and I forget. So Yeah, it has a relatively low max supply, which is interesting. A Bitcoin only has 21 million, and this one I think has 21 billion, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to look it up. It has more than Bitcoin, so there's enough of it to go around. It's like extremely safe. If you have like smart contracts, you put it on Digibyte. Digibyte is kind of like the best kept secret out there, in my opinion. And I don't know. If it pulled back in, geez. I'm sure other people will go shopping if it comes back in at this level. And anything's possible, folks. When they go up quick, they come down quick too sometimes. As you can see here, whoo, and then back in. Like, I'm not making this up. It can come in quick. So, but again, I'm in long, so it doesn't bother me. I'm excited to see it happening, though. I gotta say, if you listen to me in other video, I'm like, woo. I want to say bust out the champagne. I'm happy because a lot of you, there's people who got into this. I mean, look, there is volume down here. Somebody went shopping. Somebody bought in. They either dollar cost averaged in, which is what I should have done at 2 cents. I was like thinking, I was like, I don't know. Anyway, I want everything, but I can't have everything because I'm not made of money. And I suppose you guys aren't either. So we just roll with it. So I'm just happy to see something happening, spiked up. So I don't know if you guys know this definition, because I have a bit of a past in day trading. The first things that I learned how to trade 5 years ago, but believe me, I did not learn 5 years ago how to trade. It took me years, literally years, and I'm still learning crypto. I started about a year ago, and I kind of got out of it for a few months and jumped back in, and it was quite something. It was a learning experience, let me tell you, jumping into the world of crypto, and I love it. I love it. I love crypto. So, okay, what is a sympathy play in stocks? So a sympathy play emerges when a stock of a company is affected by news delivered by another company. Okay. I've been digging around. Okay, let me just read that. A sympathy play, because this is what I think is going on with Digibyte today. It's a sympathy play from Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is kind of hot today, and I think it's just trending up with Bitcoin. Other things are trending up too, but for some reason, Digibyte really caught other people's radars today. And also a bit yesterday. So I think it's a sympathy play off of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up in a big way, and now the Bitcoin forks, and like I said, this is a fork of Bitcoin, are trending up, some of them anyway. So I think it's just a play off of Bitcoin. So let's eyeball Bitcoin quickly. You see, Bitcoin did a good jump too. So from here to here, nice. And even good old Ethereum, how are you doing? Yeah, Ethereum also. So we have a lot of things that are green. And let's just jump back to good old Digibyte. There we go. And I think this one's Bitcoin Gold. Another fork off of Bitcoin. So gold was up even higher a few days ago, pulled in and started to gain it back. So following Bitcoin, so Digibyte. Yeah, look at that. I love that. I love to see that. I love to see it. So yeah, congratulations. If anybody bought in down here and then sold here, good for you. Good for you. That's all. Okay, what else I have to say? So I think this is, like I said, a sympathy play off of good old Bitcoin and Bitcoin going up. And then, like we said, that article where it was like, the global crypto market has continued to be in a bullish mood this weekend, and great. So, all right. I want to show you something else too while I have you here. So I've been digging around trying to figure out, what is there a big catalyst for Digibyte? What's going on? Well, I'll give you a brief history here. And Jarod Tate, if you are going to get into Digibyte or are in and you haven't subscribed to his channel, do so. So Jarod Tate, one of the developers or the founders of Digibyte. And I didn't know that it's basically a nonprofit. So they really do volunteer work to put this thing out and to make a really, really good product. And this is how a good project is done, basically. So they don't just throw something out there half done. They work at it, and they're working on Digibyte's I think version 8.22.0, Not out yet. They were hoping to get it out a couple months ago, but they were not telling people they wanted it out a couple of months ago. They know better than to put out dates. Unlike, excuse me, like Saitama, who keeps putting out dates, and they put out these target dates, and then they keep missing them because they haven't worked out all the kinks and the bugs in the software, and it's really hard to do. It takes a lot of work. So he doesn't promise when this update will come out, but it's coming, and it's going to be major. But so I'm going to just play a little bit of this for you guys. I'm hoping that you can hear it. I'll just crank it up a little bit. So remember, founder of DigiByte.
Because I truly believe, and I would not be here, going on 9 years if I didn't believe this. I truly believe DigiByte is the best combination of speed, security, and decentralization in the world today. And it's going to be very important for the world of tomorrow. And, I can't thank you enough. There's a tremendous amount of upside, and DigiByte's really one of the only truly decentralized blockchains in the world today. So, with that being said,
Okay, there, you heard it from him. And this came out March 24th. So again, I don't think this is the catalyst that pumped up DigiByte, but it is a catalyst. And not many people have viewed the video. Oh my gosh, how many? I can't tell here. Sorry. Oh, here we go. 1,400 people viewed it. I'm hoping more people view this, because you should know what you're, if you're into DigiByte, if it's new to you, know what you're getting into. This is a blockchain. This is a solid project, and some very intelligent developers who are patient and who want things done right are working on this. And it's smart contracts, the whole, and it's secure. It's incredible. So you can hop over to their website, DigiByte, watch this video. What is DigiByte? I also have a few. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5, including what I'm going to do tonight. I have Bitcoin Cash in here for some reason. So this is my playlist on DigiByte blockchain, and I am Crypto Housewife channel. So you can please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when more videos come up from me. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. Like I said, DigiByte is holding for now. I don't know what tomorrow will bring. When it comes to trading, a lot of people want to get in and out of crypto real quick and make really fast money. Well, you can also lose money fast too, if that's your attitude. I'm doing more long-term investing. I'm not day trading this stuff. I will take profit when I decide it's right for me to take profit, and it's not right now. I'm happy to see that there's a pump. So you have to have a plan if you're going to trade, and stick to it. What what was my goal? If I got in here and I doubled my money and now I'm holding, if it was me, I would be selling, but I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. But I'm just giving you an example. Have a plan. Like I said, tomorrow's a new day. Anything's possible. The stock market's open. We do have a war. There's wars going on, inflation, everything. We could have some negative news, and people could just chicken out tomorrow. Bitcoin it could either continue on its run up. This is Bitcoin right here, or it could pull back in. And when Bitcoin pulls back in and Ethereum pulls back in, then a lot of the little guys pull in too. So just something to think about. I don't want to tell you what to do. Anything's possible. Things go up, down, and sideways. So you do what you want to do. This isn't financial advice. I'm into this coin. I love this coin. I'm holding long, and we'll see. I'm just happy that it went up today. I'm happy that I was here and I spotted it, and somebody commented on my video and tipped me off to it. And I was like, whoa, yay. Because I didn't know. And it's just exciting. It's just exciting because it's been so blasé the past number of months. Like the stuff that I've been watching, I haven't seen any spikes to the up at all. So this was like, I don't know, I just needed that this weekend. It was like just exciting. So yeah, that's it. So please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, share my videos. If you like DigiByte, spread the word, share videos on DigiByte. It doesn't have to be mine. It could be anyone's. I'd appreciate if it was mine, of course. I'm trying to, get more subscribers. I'm excited about DigiByte. I love to talk about them. And like I said, here's my playlist. You can get right up to date real quick if you wanted to. And that's it. So I will sign off and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.